JBN, we keep you informed. I am Michelle Jones, and in the news, UK organising mass deportation flight to Jamaica in August. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items. The United Kingdom is arranging a mass deportation flight to Jamaica scheduled for August 11. This was confirmed by Chairman of the Windrush National Organisation, Dr. Desmond Jadu, who said that 3 Jamaicans have been detained since this morning. He was unable to categorically state if those detained today are Windrushers. He said that the organisation is now trying to collate all the information. Jadu noted that this is the 4th mass deportation flight that will take place since the Windrush scandal emerged. I would urge everyone to make representations. We know that the Windrush scandal is nowhere near being sorted out, and importantly, lessons need to be learned from the way in which the immigration services are dealing with Jamaicans, particularly in this case, and having these flights at a time when trust and confidence is low in the Home Office, Jadu said. Scrutiny was brought to bear in the 2017 Windrush scandal after the Home Office illegally sought to remove many members of the Windrush generation on the grounds that they had no right of residency in the UK. Just days ago, the UK Guardian reported that data suggested that Jamaicans were being disproportionately targeted for deportation from the United Kingdom. JBN, we keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.